Folks, elder law care attorney Patrick Kelleher coming to you from elderlawcare.com. Folks, today's question is, how do you amend your estate plan, your will, your trust, maybe your disability planning? Folks, today I'm going to answer that question for you. When you're looking to amend your estate plan, from my experience, it's usually due to one of the 3 L's in life, and I talk about that in our book. The 3 L's in life are typically when there's changes in law, how much control do we have over that? How often does Congress change the tax code? Things of that nature. Second L, changes in your life with your health, your finances, your relationships with family members, and so forth. Third L is changes in learning in the elder law industry. So it's important to have that two-way street where your elder law attorney will update you when there's a change in law, when there's a change in learning in the industry, but it's also important that you update your attorney when there's a change in your life with your health, your finances, and your relationships. And it's often that they're not going to be aware of that change in your life. So keep that two-way street open, that line of communication open with your elder law attorney. And when there is a need for a change, you want to contact your elder law attorney and schedule an appointment to come in and discuss those events with your attorney. Or if there's a change in law, your attorney should be reaching out to you to advise you of that change in law or change in learning as well. But the legal technical takeaway of how to properly update your plan is the following. So please do not do this at home. Do not pick up a pen like I've seen in other occasions where folks will strike out their estate plan, or they'll write a personal note, they'll fail to sign it, fail to date it, and it may not rise to a proper level of revocation or an amendment of your estate plan. So always, folks, contact your elder law attorney and handle it the proper way. The proper way typically is the following. You're going to come into your attorney's office, and once the amendment to your trust or will is created, you'll share the information with your attorney. Again, you're the expert on the family. Your attorney ought to be the expert on the law, so they want to take the requisite time to work with you to learn what that change in your life may be. Or if there's a change in law, your attorney should explain that change in law to you and how it impacts your estate plan. Once your estate plan is updated, drafted, and the new documents are presented to you, your attorney should explain them to you so you understand them. And to make those documents legally valid, they typically have to adhere to the formal signing requirements of the original estate plan. That is correct. They typically still have to comply with and adhere to the formal requirements of the original signing meeting. For example, if you're amending and updating your will, typically here in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts and in most states, you're going to need 2 disinterested witnesses present when you're signing that plan, and you always want to have it notarized as well. And you may even want to have an affidavit stating that the plan was signed and updated and all parties were present, and that you had capacity, what they refer to as testamentary capacity, to properly sign your plan and amend your plan. So that's important, folks, that you adhere to the formal legal requirements specific in your state. So whatever state you are from, always check with the attorney in your jurisdiction on how to make sure the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted. Really, really important, folks. Do not do this at home. Consult with your attorney to make sure that you're adhering with the formal legal requirements in your particular jurisdiction. Folks, if you found this video helpful, please scroll down, leave a comment, or post a question, and a member of our elder law care team will be happy to get back to you. Folks, elder law care attorney Patrick Kelleher, thank you for joining us today at elderlawcare.com.